Hi guys, so if you were in class this morning, you already heard this, but we're going to be creating foldable notes this year. We're going to make about one a week. Sometimes it'll be one every other week, but it's going to have lots of great information in it. Today we made our first foldable note, and it should look something like this. So on the front of your foldable notes, you have the titles. I accidentally made a typo there. Sorry, that was the wrong title. And then you treat it like a flashcard. So if you want information on side, you open it up and it has this information here. Okay, sometimes our foldable notes will just have the information here and an example here. They're all going to be a little bit different, but basically they're like awesome little flashcards that have great information on them for you. Now when you print it, if you just print one-sided, you would select landscape and you would just print it and this is all your paper would look like. Well, then you're going to take the outside edges and you're going to fold them over until they meet in the middle. And then you would write these titles on the front. Your titles wouldn't be there if you only have a one-sided printer. So you would write those titles on the front. And then you could go back and you could look on this side that did print and you could see where to cut. So you're just going to cut along those lines. All right, so that should be what the final product looks like. So again, if you have a one-sided printer, you're only going to print this side, and then you're going to fold the paper so that the two edges meet in the middle. You're going to write your titles, and then you're going to cut, and that will create your foldable note. Now, if you don't have a printer at all, that's okay too. You would just take a sheet of paper, it doesn't matter if it's printer paper or lined paper, and you would write the abbreviations and draw the triangles. In this case, in class I said you don't have to write all these words. You would probably get a hand cramp if you wrote all of those words. But you at least need to have the abbreviations and the triangles. And then the same thing, you would fold it into the middle, you would write your titles, and you can do this all without printing. So I hope you guys take advantage of this. We are going to be doing them quite often. So I just wanted to give you an idea of what this first one looked like.